No, sometimes you guys say, this is a dumb idea. We gotta do the right thing. I'm gonna call it. I'm like, this is stupid. There's bubbles in the back glass. We can't even tint this. Oh my God. Look at this tint. This will give me an aneurysm. We cannot tint over this. That is, dude, it's falling over here. I need a cell phone. Welcome to Show Me Tint, guys. We're closing up the day here. We had a busy Tuesday. We're having a good time. Lauren's trying to have a little fun. She's usually doing a little too much, you know. yeah, trying to keep her focus is like, I don't know. You know, it's like a bunch of bunny rabbits all over the place. Yeah, I know, yeah. But she gets it done. She kills it. She got it all knocked out today. We had a lot of customers in. I don't even know how many cars we did today. What we do today? 18? You guys sold a ton of ceramic film today. Everybody was hot, I guess. They wanted to cool it off. So it worked out really well. Let's see what we got going on in the shop. One of these new Tundras. I may have showed you that. This is a big hype thing right now. Look at this, Type S. So this is a factory matte finish. People pay us to do this sometimes. The thing with this, putting protection on it, obviously you can't put a gloss on it because it'd make it shiny. So I was just explaining to a friend of mine that you have to put a matte paint protection film over this to add paint protection to it. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna do the front clip in a matte PPF, and then it should all look like a factory finish. Kind of some gray tones going back here. We got this Raptor in. This is my dude Chris. He got into a little fender bender in his paint protection. We had done this previously. He hit something. He's always hitting something in this thing. Hit a little something here. We don't know what it was, but look, all this, the paint's good underneath. The film took the damage like it's supposed to and absorbed the impact. And we're gonna peel this stuff off here and put a new piece of film on here. Super easy. Why would you not do paint protection film if you wanna drive wild? Or if you just wanna drive regular? You know what I mean? If you wanna hit stuff and be okay. Not that we recommend that, you know. Big special graphics are coming for this week. The next video you see, you'll get to see the cool graphics. Sexy. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna reach out. It'll stick in your mind. It'll be wild. You gotta check it out. It's gonna be sick. This is a Tundra Platinum for a really sweet lady. Her name is Karen. We're doing the rockers, front clip. See Andre up here, powerhousing it out. Dude, don't stop. He's gonna be the beast. I'm gonna make him famous. Doing all this work today. You do the more to Dakota today? Dakota's up there sitting around. We're about to do the hood piece on this. We're gonna throw it on here. And this thing will be pretty close. But we gotta do a ceramic pro coating on it. And then we're gonna just kind of touch it up, check it out, ship it out. Just got to go. So do we still need to do the piece on the doors, the partial door? Did we ever find a kit for that? I didn't see one in there. Dakota, did you see a partial door kit for this Tundra? So we're going to make one? Sweet.
Just bulk
stuff. Yeah, we'll bulk it. Okay. So we should have a rock star day tomorrow. We're all trying to get saddled up for the week. We have a lot of fun messing with cars and a lot of fun at the shop. We're all pretty hyped about this week. Weather's turning up. We're turning up. It's going to be cool. Let's go check the tint shop out. Let's go to the tint shop. And we're going to the tint shop. Come on, Dakota. Hunter. I mean, what? Andre. What? I'm just kidding. All right, guys, we'll go down to the tint shop. We'll see what's going on down there.
Right on.
Guys, we're down at the tint shop. We're wrapping up the day down here. The sun's setting and it's looking beautiful. It's a real nice day. We did a lot of cars. Made a little bit of money. That was cool. You know, I like that a lot. We got a lot of people happy. That was the best part. We got this Challenger in here for our client. We had done a half front clip wrap, half wrap on the paint protection. They wanted to upgrade to a lifetime ceramic coating. They're gonna keep this car for a while, so we went ahead and started. We're just letting it cure down here. We're gonna put one more layer on the morning, and then before long, it'll be ready to go out. I'm hyped about it. I love these people. Super cool couple. They're just good people. I got my guys over here working. Let's go mess with them, see what they're doing. What you guys doing? You guys tint any cars at all today? Be honest. How many cars did you tint today? 15? That's it? A week. How many dollars do you think we did today? $1 million? Probably $1 million. No, I don't think we did that much. I wish. I'd be like, yay! I'd be way pumped. No, but we had a good day. We had a good day today. Everybody was buying our ceramic films. Geez, how many ceramic jobs? I remember when a long time ago we were going to sell ceramic film, and I was like, nobody's going to buy that expensive ass tint. And now we sell it every day. Remember when we were saying that? I was like, that's a bad idea. That ain't going to work. Yeah, we brought the Hooper Optic down. We sold some Hooper Optic. It was wild. It was a cool day. What are you guys working on? Just a 7 Series BMW. No big deal, right? Yeah, these are super tough. Look at this. Look at this backside. As from a window tinter standpoint, what do you think of this inner seal? Look how much you got to go past just to tint the whole glass.
Super easy.
you have to be able to slide the film back behind this inner seal and not get any dirt in it, not get any creases in it. Super hard, super hard, super hard, super hard. I remember having to do those. Thank God I got these guys to do them now, because I would hate my life if I do another one of those. I did like 1,000 and that was enough. Yeah, super good pattern, cutting it nice and tight and close. Ramon doing it obviously is the #1 answer. Is this your work here, Ramon? Tell me we're redoing this.
No.
Oh, you're freaking lying. This has to be a removal. This is a removal. Does this have tint on it already?
Huh?
Does this have tint on it already?
Yeah, 10 on 10.
Absolutely not.
100%. That's what they came down here and told us. I said, you got it.
No.
They said tint number 10. I'm doing what they said. They said they don't care that they don't get a warranty. They literally said that. I don't care if I don't get a warranty.
Huh?
They said they don't care if they don't get a warranty. They just want it dark.
We do not want to tint over this tint. It's horrible.
That's what he wants. You can't tell him what he wants.
No, sometimes you guys say, this is a dumb idea. We got to do the right thing. I'm going to call it. I'm gonna like, this is stupid. There's bubbles in the back glass. We can't even tint this. Oh my God. Look at this tint. This will give me an aneurysm. We cannot tint over this. That is, dude, it's falling over here. I need a cell phone. All right, I'm gonna have to call these people. Yeah, this is crazy. How expensive is this car? Hey man, it's Randy down here. I'm working on your BMW. Dude, you sure you want me to tint over this thing? This tint that's on here, there's like some really horrible tint on here right now. I don't suggest going over it just to make it darker. Are you committed to have this thing back tonight, or do you want it right? It is an extra $100. That is the downside of it, and that's actually cheap for removal in this caliber. But your tint, dude, normally I wouldn't even call somebody if the tint just wasn't trashed. Like, I'm not stressing on the $100. You know what I mean? For real. Like, if you want me to take 20 bucks and do it for 80, I'm cool with that, whatever. I'm just saying that you're putting some of the nicest film we sell on this car, and you're putting it over some of the crappiest tint I've seen. It's a lot more work for my guys to do that. But there's dirt going all down the sides. There's a bunch of debris in the side of this tint, and then the back window has bubbles in it already. Like, I'm afraid if we tint over it, it's gonna go bad instantly. I'll hook you up, dude. I'm not stressing on the money. I want you to have a nice tint job. Like, this is a nice ass car. Do you care if they keep this till tomorrow or what? Because it's gonna take some time to get this. I'll hit you up first thing in the morning and let you know how it's going. Thank you, dude. Rip all this shit off here. Have it done by tomorrow sometime. Don't tint over that. That's horrible. What we found out when I came down here and saw this, thank you, Andre. So remove everything. He's cool with paying for removal. I noticed these bubbles in here. Some customers will come in here and say like, hey, just tint over this tint. They don't want to pay the removal charge, which removal's cheap. Comparison to having a lifetime warranty with your film, and he's putting ceramic tint on there. So he's putting a nice tint on there. It's gonna go bad instantly over this tint. And the guys were kind of joking around a little bit about not wanting to take it off. They were just being sarcastic a little bit because they know the right thing to do is to remove all this. But the girls up front didn't tell them that. It's the end of the day. They're not gonna do a removal tonight. You know what I mean? Because this will take 3-4 hours. So they're gonna do it tomorrow. We'll keep the car till tomorrow. We'll get it done right for him. He'll have a nice tint job. And then maybe I can show you like this stuff right here. It is never supposed to be in your tint job. This is dirt. This is creases. This is all the stuff. Whoever tinted this originally have not done one of these. So when I show you my guys' work tomorrow and I show you how good it looks on this, you're gonna see the difference. And that's the difference of a quality installation. And this is unfortunately not one. And maybe it was the guy's first time. Maybe somebody did it at home. I have no idea. At the end of the day, we're not doing that here. It's not happening. We're not doing it. Sorry about you. We're gonna have to change it up, put some good tint on here, make it sexy. You guys, write removal on here, and then whatever you decide to do. But don't tint over that shitty tint. We've been selling all expensive tint all day long. People are getting hooked up. They're scared of the heat. We're taking care of them. It's super dope. We love it. We love it here. We love Jeeps. Andrew especially loves Jeeps. Look at that beautiful sunset. Guys, thanks for checking it out. I'm gonna go tell this good news to the customers, getting some good tint today. Thanks for checking it out. We had a great time. You know, we got more stuff coming. We got a lot of cool stuff coming. It should be pretty exciting. There's a job coming down the line that's gonna be really cool. Like, I guarantee you're gonna see this in the streets. I love it. Thanks, guys. All right.